Well, it's important that you know how to use what you have learned. So let's do some recall. You have learned the gradient. You learn how to find the equation. You know when they are parallel and perpendicular, what's their relationship. Now, let's put all this together and solve a problem that's more important. So now you have a diagram here. You have a trapezium here. So not really a trapezium, but you have SP parallel to your QR. Your SP parallel to your QR. And they ask to find what's the equation for your SP. What's the equation of SP? Let's recall, if you want to find equation, what do you need? How many items you need to gather? Could you recall? 2, right? One is gradient. The other one is any point on the line. Do you have the gradient for SP now? Not really. But do you have a point? Yes, if you observe, you have a y-intercept for your P, which is 4. So it means the coordinate is 0, 4. So we have this. We have the first one, the point, 0, 4. We just need to get the gradient now. How do we get the gradient for SP? Well, we don't have point S, so we couldn't find the gradient from there, but parallel. It means gradient for SP would be equals to gradient of QR. And could you get the gradient for QR? Yes, because you have both the points for Q and R. Q would be 20, 0, because this is x-intercept. R would be 0, negative 8. So the gradient would be minus 8 minus 0 over 0 minus 20. Remember that? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Therefore, you will get your gradient as negative 8 over minus 20. So you simplify, you will get the gradient as, what's your gradient? You will get 2 over 5 positive. And this gradient is the gradient for SP as well, because they are parallel. So now you have the gradient, you have the point. Therefore, could you find the equation? Yes. Y equals to mx plus c, right? So what's your point? 0, 4. So 4. M. What's your M? Your M is 2 over 5. X, 0, plus C. Therefore, C is 4. Therefore, your equation is y equals to 2 over 5x plus 4. That's how you do it. Now, next one. They asked to find the equation, right? This is the first one. The second part, they say find the equation for let's say SR. What will be the equation of SR? Well, same thing again. What would be your gradient? And any point? Well, as usual, SR, you could see you have the point R, 0, negative 8. But what's the gradient for SR? from here, you know that SR perpendicular to SP, and you have the gradient for SP, right? Which is here 2/5. When they are perpendicular, what shall you do? When they are perpendicular, you flip upside down and then change the sign. It becomes negative. So the gradient is negative 5/2. So when you have the gradient, you have the point, you could find your equation easily. How should we find it? Y equals to mx plus c. Your y, negative 8. M, negative 5/2. X is 0. And you will get your c as negative 8. Therefore, your equation is y equals to m negative 5/2x plus c, which is negative 8. So that is your equation for SR.